Welcome to the Autoverse, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels, from classic gems to modern marvels. Today, let's dive into the world of the 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible, a true icon of American luxury. The 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible is a masterpiece of the classic era, embodying the height of 1950s American automotive design. Known for its dramatic styling and unparalleled opulence, this car stands as a symbol of mid-century American prosperity. Under the hood, it houses a 6.4-liter 390 cubic inch V8 engine, delivering an impressive 325 horsepower, paired with a hydromatic automatic transmission. While its performance wasn't built for drag strips, it provided effortless cruising and a silky smooth ride, making it a favorite among luxury car enthusiasts. The design of the Series 62 Convertible is one of its most striking aspects. It features towering tailfins, adorned with dual bullet-shaped taillights and an expansive chrome grille that gives the car an unmistakable presence. Measuring nearly 18.5 feet in length, it exudes elegance with its low-slung profile, sweeping lines, and wide stance. The convertible top adds an open-air luxury experience, making it perfect for leisurely drives along scenic routes. Inside, the Cadillac Series 62 Convertible offers a cabin that defines luxury for its time. Premium materials like leather upholstery and chrome accents adorn the spacious interior, which comfortably accommodates up to 6 passengers. Advanced features for the 1950s included power windows, power seats, and an automatic climate control system called Comfort Control, which was cutting-edge technology at the time. The dashboard design, with its chrome highlights and sleek instrumentation, reflects the jet age influence that dominated the era. As for pricing, the original cost of the 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible was around $5,400, a significant sum back then. Today, this car is a collector's dream, with prices ranging from $150,000 to over $300,000, depending on its condition, originality, and provenance. Restored examples and models with rare color combinations often fetch higher prices at auctions. This classic land yacht remains a symbol of American automotive history, celebrated for its unique design, luxury features, and cultural significance. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just love the elegance of a bygone era, the 1959 Cadillac Series 62 Convertible is a timeless beauty that continues to captivate hearts worldwide. Thank you for watching The Autoverse. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Available on YouTube, Linkston Take 9. Stay tuned for the next ride.